Hey guys, how's it going today? Hope everybody's doing good. Here in the bike shop on this cool February, working on all kinds of different stuff. Among other things, working on this Spaceliner here. The paint is finally dry on this thing. I think we can go ahead and put the decal on it. So we'll take care of that right now. I wanted to give that paint plenty of time to dry in here because it doesn't really get much above 60 degrees in here, so it's kind of important to keep things as warm as possible, but I can't, but in spite of that, I guess what I'm trying to say is I need more time for paint to dry for the most part. Cool. So now I might just swab this down with a little bit of alcohol here. Not much, there's just a little bit of a damp towel here with a little bit of alcohol on it. I'm just going to go through and make sure there's no residue or anything on that red stripe. Just going to go on here. I don't remember exactly where. I think I measured. I did write it down. S distance is 6.5 inches from the edge. So I'll just take my calipers here and mark that kind of mentally. 6.5 is right about where the red reaches the top. I'm not going to scribe it, I'm just going to kind of mentally, there's a little bit of a blemish on the middle there. And I'm going to use that as my mark. I know it's not going to be picked up on camera, but it's right there. And I can look at it in light and see that. This thing is really awkward. There we go. Can I see my mark? Yeah, there it is. Just to check again. Because I'm a freak like that. Okay, because it's at a different angle. I gotta make sure. By the way, I've been working with greasy hubs all morning, so I want to make sure that my own fingertips are free of oil and dirt. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol. I'm just rubbing my fingers, edges of my fingers where I'll be handling the sticker. Good enough. Okay. Boy, that is thin stuff. Kind of hard to see the red line underneath it. So I'm trying to get this as straight as possible without, ooh, that was close. Hold on, guys. My reference from a 6.5. There we are again. Maybe I need to hold this a different way. This isn't working out quite as smoothly as I had hoped. This doesn't help right here. See that way that thing? I can't lay this thing down. There we go. Decals can kind of suck sometimes. So if any part of this doesn't show up on the red, I'm going to be very upset. Looks like I got it, but damn, I just can't see if I'm straight or not. It's like I need to have I should have cut this decal down before I peeled it back. Now I'm regretting that because I just can't see through this opaque thing to make sure that it's absolutely straight until it's too late. I'm just going to start with this corner here. I mean, you can kind of see, kind of, sort of. All right, it's on there. So I think I got it pretty parallel to the bottom line right there, maybe within a millimeter or so. Shouldn't be able to see from a distance, but that was pretty difficult. And we'll slowly peel this back. Nice. Props to all you artists out there that make decals for replication purposes and restoration purposes like this. This is awesome. Awesome. Looks good. That's what it's supposed to look like. I'll take it. Cool. So now we can put that back on the chain, on the frame here. Actually, I won't put it together like that. I'm going to put the chain on it first. So the frame set is essentially done, with the exception of the swing arms for the fork. Haven't assembled those yet. I will do that after I build the wheels, which is going to happen next. So stay tuned. We'll be right there with that part.